There are two problems with phones today. Number one, they're too big. Number two, they're too addictive, too important to not be really, really near us. So at Carved, we knew it was our responsibility to solve both of these problems in one package. So we created My Walnut Buddy. It is a fusion of organic walnut material, solid brass hardware that we have married together to create a product that will last as long as it looks.
Before My Walnut Buddy, my life sucked. Managing all of my everyday carry in such slim pants was a real headache. No one should have to suffer like that. I didn't know where else to turn. Then I heard of My Walnut Buddy. And since I've been using My Walnut Buddy, my life has never been better.
You flip it open, you look down, it's right there. Face ID works. You flip it open, you look down, it's right there. Face ID works. Texting, easy.
Over the past year, our team has spent countless hours designing and developing My Walnut Buddy to solve all of your problems. From the sketch to the prototyping to the polishing, we had your best interests in mind. We love you.
We've integrated seamless Apple Pay functionality. You're in the checkout line, no more fumbling around for your wallet, no more digging through your purse. Just walk right up, tap the kiosk. Works.
It's that easy.
And look, not in my pocket, not in my way.
Not in my pocket, not in my way.
Whether you're a busy professional, an active adventurer, or just someone who prefers simplicity and style, we hope that you would be willing to make My Walnut Buddy
your walnut buddy.